I gotta be real with you. For years, I was broke. Not just tight on cash, I mean, like, choosing between gas or groceries broke. I was drowning in bills, dodging calls from debt collectors, and feeling like I was stuck in a loop I couldn't escape. I was working jobs I hated, busting my ass for pennies, and still falling behind. I felt hopeless, embarrassed. Honestly, I was scared. Then one day, a friend hit me up. He said, "Hey, I'm doing this thing online, digital marketing. You should check it out." I almost ignored it, thought it was just another scam. But something told me to try. I gave it a shot. I stayed up late, learned everything I could, step by step. No shortcuts, just pure grind. And slowly, things started to change. I made my first sale, then my second, and before I knew it, I was finally financial free. I now work from home, 2 hours a day, making more than I ever did at any 9-to-5 job. If you're struggling like I was, I get it. I've been there. But I'm telling you, this changed my life. If you want to know how I did it, just click the link in my bio, and I'll show you.